All right, so this is Jenna's house. We're gonna drive down the road that just got hit by a tornado, just so everybody can see what it was like. They just cleared it out about 15 minutes ago.
Brakes sound.
My brakes are terrible. Hopefully no other cars come down this way, because there's no way to turn around. So here we go, there's one big tree coming up.
Yep, we're crazy. We're gonna go under that.
So this is the first tree. There's two trees actually that they just cleared out with the power lines on the side. And we're gonna go underneath this big tree here. Sorry if the video is not straight, because I gotta make sure I don't hit anything. All the power lines are pretty much dead. You can see all the trees that are down everywhere. This is the lighter part actually. So there's power lines right in the middle of the road we just gotta avoid.
Oh my god.
You hear all the tree branches are running over. Well, I'm just gonna go pull over to the side so this guy can get past.
Are these the tree?
How's it going? So here's where they're cutting down more trees. Gotta make sure I don't hit anything too bad. This guy's trimming down some of the woods here. Recording it all now. Yeah, I know, really. That guy, he almost, his house almost got destroyed by 3 trees, and luckily it didn't hit. There's some more devastation. All this, you couldn't see the road earlier today. There's wires on the left. Now we have to drive under a few trees. Which, here's some more trees.
Heaven.
So it looks like we're gonna hit it, but there was a bunch of trucks that are bigger than mine that have made it through here. So I'm confident that we're gonna make it fine. It looks, this is just, they've already cleared out a lot of the pieces, so I mean, this is how crazy it was. Think about this without any of the trees cut away. It looks like a forest.
Please don't fall down. We're not coming back up this road. Not bad.
Power lines on the left, on the right, I mean.
That was a tree.
Here's some more trees. I just made it through there. I just made it through that one. Holy crap! This is like a war zone. Look at the size of that tree that guy cut. That must be 2 feet across. Just barely spitting through this. Look at all that. That tree's huge. Most of the houses, though, so far have been pretty lucky. Oh, there goes something I ran over. Telephone pole is just snapped and broken all down here. Here we go, they're trying to clear out some more of the debris. They're doing a good job. Apparently down at the end of this road there's a house that was totally destroyed. Are we almost there, Jenna?
Yeah.
It's on the right over here.
It's on the left. This doesn't even look like the end of the road.
Alright, we're going over a big branch here. These guys are trying to tie down a tree to pull it down. Holy crap, this part is destroyed. This is where the main part of it hit, obviously. It's just trees are gone.
Right there.
Totally can't even see it.
There used to be a house right there.
This right here used to be a house.
Come around the wire. Please get off the wire.
What do you want to do? Go left or right?
Over there.
What? Which way, babe?
Either left to get home.
And that's most of the destruction that I can see. Pretty terrible. Just that one road, these trees are just gone. Yeah, man. It's absurd. This house looks, just had a little bit of damage on the roof, that's about it. He's lucky. Lost his star. All these trees, just twigs, just busted down everywhere. Alright, I think that's the most of it right there.